This is an instructional video on how to assemble the VFI3000 RT Plus battery tray. You will require 6 12-volt 9Ah batteries and the battery tray and cable set. If you are replacing batteries, then reuse the existing cables. Note the wiring kit has 3 different types of cable. The connector cable, 2 black cables, 2 slightly longer cables and 1 long cable. Arrange the battery blocks into the lower part of the tray as shown. Pause the video here if need be. Let the upper part of the tray hang off the front of the table, hinged by the plastic tab. Start wiring with the black connector cable to the negative end of the first battery block. With the short wire, connect between the positive terminal on the first battery to the negative on the second. With the mid-size wire, connect from the positive of the second to the negative on the third. Note that since these wires need to bend on themselves, this is why they are slightly longer. Now with the longest wire, connect from the positive of the third block to the negative of the fourth. Following the same pattern, connect the fourth to the fifth, and the fifth to the sixth, until finally we connect the red connector cable to the positive of the sixth block. Starting with the first block, turn it onto its side, so that the terminals are inside the tray. Now repeat with blocks 2 and 3. Make sure that the cables don't foul on one another. Blocks 4, 5, and 6 are tilted the same way, so that their terminals are pointing to the outside. Make sure the longest cable between blocks 3 and 4 is routed on the outside and not going over the top of the battery, and that the outside cables are tucked into the tray. At this point, it is a good idea to measure the voltage at the connector to make sure that all blocks are good and the connections have been made correctly. The voltage should be over 72 volts. The battery tray has either 2 strips of double-sided tape or 6 individual pieces. In any event, peel off the backing paper on all pieces. Now place the tray over the batteries, taking care over the wiring and making sure the blocks are positioned correctly. Note that a mistake here can be difficult to rectify due to the tape's strong adhesive, so if it is your first time, make sure the tray will fit properly before removing the backing from the tape. Taking great care, now turn the battery tray around and repeat on the other side. Note how when fixing the tray the black connector cable has to choose which way around the plastic tab to go, so take the cable so it is on the same side as the red cable. And you're done. Hope you didn't funk it up. If you need further information, then visit us at www.powerinspired.com. Thanks for watching.